everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, and Maxwell, Truelove.
Quilts for you.
For Truelove Quilts for you. I'm doing a sharing is caring. I'm behind the camera. Maxwell is going to be reading our story from Terie. I just want to preface this by apologizing to Terie and a few others who have sent in their stories. And they've sent them in quite a while ago. We have been extremely busy, and Ian and Maxwell have been busy, but I just grabbed Maxwell today so he could share this story that Terie had sent us. I have it up on my computer, but Maxwell's going to be reading. I'm going to be putting up the pictures of this sharing is caring, which is very interesting. It's not quilts. Maxwell, what is it?
It's a sewing machine in your favorite color.
In my favorite color, red. Terie is so very clever. She's told me this before, but Maxwell is going to be reading what Terie has sent us. So you take it away, Maxwell.
It says, "Hi Jean, I have just finished a project I am proud of. I have her up on my YouTube channel, but I wanted to share some photos here as I promised. So here goes. She is a singer, Featherweight 221 from 1946. I bought her in disrepair, stripped the paint, primed and painted her and rebuilt her. She is number 3 for Featherweights from me, but I have done other models. I thought you would like her or love her because she is your favorite color, red. I do this in my apartment, in my kitchen. You work with what you have. My advice to anyone who cares what I think: if you want to do something badly enough, find a way to do it. Put I can't out of your head and work out the details. PSA over. LOL. Love to the true loves, Sister Terie."
Isn't that lovely? So Terie, it's not a quilt, but Terie is clever enough that she rebuilds and takes and renovates, rebuilds and repairs 50 plus 60, 70-year-old sewing machines. Could you do that?
No.
No. That would be a very good business to have, repairing sewing machines, mechanical machines.
Did she say, would you want that machine?
No. It's what her hobby is. She's yeah. Oh, you want.
Well, because it's red, I thought.
I know.
I got the impression that she wanted to give it.
No.
You wanted to buy it.
No. It's just she's sharing what she does. You have a red shirt. Isn't that funny? We're talking about red. So you're matching the machine. So anyway, that is fascinating. Terie's doing this in her kitchen, on her kitchen table in her apartment. That's awesome, isn't it? And PSA, do you know what that means?
Post science assessment?
Very good. Try again.
I don't know.
Oh, it's called wait a second. A public service announcement. I like yours. Post science assessment. That's very good, Maxwell. It came out of your head. Anyway, thank you so much, Terie. Sister Terie, thank you so much for sharing that with us. And thank you, Maxwell, for coming into our sewing room. What's going on with you? Anything? Anything exciting?
No, not really. I just do a stream every Friday on Twitch.
Yeah, you do. Maxwell does a stream on Twitch.
A live stream.
A live stream of what?
Fortnite, mainly.
Yeah. And making your Lego.
I haven't done that yet.
You haven't done your Lego sets yet?
Well, I've done them.
You have done them, yeah.
Yeah, I need to get some more.
Oh, you need some more Lego sets, yeah. He's made so many cars and everything.
Yeah.
And he's doing a live stream on that, on how he's putting together.
I don't have any sets right now, so I'm just doing Fortnite right now.
Yeah. So anyway, that's Maxwell. You're keeping busy other than that. And thank you so very much, Terie. And Ian will be in to do a few sewing rooms. We have a few on the go. And again, we thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Maxwell. Bye-bye. Love from the Trueloves. See ya.